Hello CAMFive friends! Welcome to another EMB video. My name is Hector and today's project is about creating embroidered sport logos using not only our embroidery machine, but also a CO2 laser machine to cut the fabric. Let's begin our video. First, we need to cut our fabric with the laser machine. Once the fabric is cut, we must apply a special glue to fix it to our garment. Take the design into the machine and make a trace over the garment. That way, you can't spot the shield. Set the glued fabric over the trace. Generate a second trace, but now over the glued fabric. Use a zigzag pattern. The glue is an important part of the process, as it fixes the fabric to the garment and avoids it to move and make a problematic embroidery. As it moves, you can see that the fabric stretches, leaving a perfect surface for the shield. With the fabric sewn into the garment, we can start the embroidery. When the machine is finished, retrieve the frame from the machine and the garment from the frame. Take off the extra stabilizer and enjoy an incredible embroidery. That's the end of our video. We thank you for watching and we hope this helps you for future projects. For more info about our embroidery machines, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. I'm Hector and we'll see you next time.